Good job, Erica. There you go, Brian. Good job, Lakin. You can do the big one, right? 10 of them. There you go. Tell you what, do 5, alright? Nice. Go back, come around the other way now. And go back that way, yeah. Because we don't want to hit Brian when he's coming by. Hands all the way together. Yep. Oh. Alright, that's fine. Oh, Jesus Christ. Come on, Erica.